Hello guys. So I had to do this again because it was such a good game. And today, not today, this, oh, it's this scene again. You guys saw this on the other time. It's pretty cool, but how did I skip it? Because I know that everything is going wrong until it... Yep. Oh. Whee! Santa. So we already seen this, so yeah, the sleigh. Okay, we're gonna start it any second. Any second now. Rudolph! You can't turn off the workshop. Santa tracker. Okay, what should we do? We should let's play something besides Google thing. Wait, what is this? What are we doing? What's going on? Are we supposed to hit them? Oh. So, that's so cool. Okay, get him. Get this guy. Yes. What? How? That's impossible. Okay, go. No. Aw, man. Take it. This one will hit him. No. What if I just do this? Oh yeah. Wait, how do I get my time back? How do I get my time back? No. No, please. Oh. What is Santa selfie? Let's see. Santa. Oh, we already did this. We're gonna go somewhere else. We're gonna go somewhere else in the workshop. Let's go somewhere. We're gonna be... Hey, what's this? Ooh. Who should be the good? Yeah. Wait. We should put this. Oh yeah. Whoa, this is such a good song. Going crazy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is such a good one. This is going crazy. That beat is awesome. That's awesome. beautiful. That's such a good beat. Wait, let's add somebody else that we haven't tried yet. Where are they? Oh yeah! This is like Incredibox. This is such a good one. Oh my god! Okay. Let's go to another one. Let's do this. I want that other reindeer thingy. I want to play that again because we failed. And no, we already did this. Can't do this. We already did this. We're gonna go. I am not good. What happened? What am I supposed to do there? I had no idea what I was supposed to do, but oh, what's this? What are you talking about? Huh? I didn't read it. Oh. Oh. No. Go there. Okay. So, oh, we got a harder one now. And a spring. That's kinda. What's the spring for? What's the spring for? Oh, okay, now drop. Alright, you gotta do this. Right. Take it out. Huh? What's going on? I don't know what is this doing because it isn't working. Oh, we had to like do a little timing. Okay, drop. What? How did that happen? Oh, we had to do this and then I have no idea what's going on. Okay, now we're gonna need to do a steeper jump, so do that. It's kinda cool. It's not expected. What if we just don't do the thing? Bring this guy. But we have to use the spring. And there's gonna be a spring up here. Okay, let's go. This should work. Not expected. Let's see this again. This should work. No, it's just going backwards. We have to make significant changes. Okay, so it's gonna fall down. Close. Just move it like that and then it'll go, right? No. It won't. Okay, okay. I guess it's... Yes! We did it! Wait a minute. These things already show it. It shows you where to go and everything. Okay, now let's use the springs. Yeah, but how? Okay, this one's gonna be a hard one. Because if we just put it there and then put this one right here. Wait, what if we just put this right here? And let's put this in the right place. Wait, let's go. We have to see, we have to test it out. Testing out time. Yes. Almost. So close. Really, really close. Okay. It's gonna be there. Yes! We got it. Okay, this one? I'm kinda confused. What am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to like... My brain isn't braining. Okay, go. Not working. Dang it. That's no good. And that's no good too. The plan is not working. Wait, what if we just do this? It'll go on it, right? Oh, it doesn't. Take it. It should go on it. Oh, close one. Let's see this, if it works. Nope, it does not work. Let's just try. I want to be able to like... No! Don't fall! Wait, what if we make it lower? Make it lower, yeah. Lower makes it better. Okay, so we want this to be jumping on that. But we can't do it. Oh. Oh, the ball stops. Okay. Let's restart this because nothing is going really. Okay, we want this to go not up. Well, that wasn't the right thing. It's not doing it. Too far. Close. That was close. Too far. Let's just do this. It doesn't work. Let's just move it here. Do that. Oh my god. That was such a good one. And I have one spring? What? What am I supposed to do here? Well, first try? No. Oh. Well, that wasn't the right thing. Please don't go. No! Keeps on doing that. That's not normal. I don't think that's a normal thing from a ball. We got it so close. Should we put it that way? No, it just makes it more steeper. Should we make it straight up? No. How is that even possible? Yeah, but now it doesn't work. Am I supposed to do like this? No results. Let's try to do this. No, it doesn't work. No, stop it. This one is kind of hard. Oh. The time has gotten a little bit late. I didn't rage quit. It's just that the time has gone to 16:30. So we're gonna just, what is this? We're gonna do this tomorrow. I wanna do this tomorrow. Okay. So I hope you have a great night and Merry Christmas.